Now let's talk about how transitions will look like this year. Transitions in the building will look a little bit differently than have been in the past years. You're going to make sure that when you walk in the hallway, you must wear your mask. You will keep your hands to your side. You're going to be walking at a voice level 0. You will walk on the pause, making sure that in between each color, there is 2 paws in between you at all times. We must do these in order to remain safe. Transitions in the classroom will also look different. Just like we said, there's only 1 scholar allowed to be up at all times. So today, we'll learn how to do the hand sanitizer signal. Whenever you need to grab some hand sanitizers, you must do this hand signal that looks like an H. And when the teacher gives you permission, you're going to stand up, push in your chair, walk to the hand sanitizer station that's closest to you with your hands by your side. You will do this at a voice level 0 and wait for the teacher to call your name. You will have 10 seconds to pump some hand sanitizer and come back to your desk silently. Let's talk about bathroom expectations. Bathroom procedures will also look different. Every time you need to go to the bathroom, you need to raise your hand signal, wait for your teacher to give you the permission to go to the bathroom, check that your mask is covering your nose and mouth. You're going to silently stand, push in your chair, and walk to the bathroom using quiet feet. Wait outside of the bathroom for a teacher to give you permission to go inside. Let's make sure that we're walking at 6 feet apart from scholars and that every time we wash our hands, we do it for 20 seconds. And again, a tip that I have is to hum happy birthday twice. So it can be your birthday every day. Inside the bathroom, we're going to use our bathroom as quickly as possible. We will put trash in the trash can and flush the toilet. You will wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water. Lunch transitions. Now, every day we will take a break to eat our lunch. It is very important to do that to fuel our brains. Your lunch will be eaten in our classroom with your teacher, and the teacher will call you up to get your lunch and take 1 meal from the bin. Just like breakfast, and to keep everyone safe, we are going to make sure that we will not share food with our neighbors. We will work very hard to keep our desks and table clean while eating. After our lunch, we'll have to make sure we clean up our area and sanitize our table to get rid of the germs. We will do that nice and neatly to collect all the trash on our desks. Your teacher will call on you when it's your turn to throw away your trash in the hallway. You will once again get a pump of hand sanitizer to clean your hands. Your teacher then will help you if you have any spills. Recess transitions. Now it's fun time. We're going to line up by homeroom on the pavement. You're going to be sitting down facing the portables, sitting 6 feet apart. Your voice is at level 0 and you're sitting in a straight line. Every time we're outside, we're going to have a lot of fun, but we're going to make sure that we follow these 4 important rules to keep everyone safe. 1, we will stay in our recess area with our class. 2, we will keep our hands to ourselves. 3, we will keep our masks over our mouth and nose. And 4, we will listen to our teacher's directions the first time. Line up to go back to class. You're going to line up by homeroom on the pavement, sitting down, facing the portables, sitting 6 feet apart in a straight line, and our voices are off. You will wait for your teacher to come pick you up and give you the directions. Let's make sure that we're walking with 2 paws in between you at all times. Dismissal transitions. Now, the dismissal will also look different. We will all stay in the classroom, and the first one that will be dismissed will be the bus riders. Wait for your teacher to say your name that you're dismissed for the bus. You will exit out of the 5th grade door that's next to Mr. Cantu's room, and you will go straight to your bus while staying 6 feet apart. Next, it will be car riders and walkers' time. You will remain sitting down in your classroom as bus riders leave. Wait for your name to be called on the walkie-talkie, and then your teacher will dismiss you when it's safe and it's your time. For walkers, you will exit the 4th grade door closest to Miss T's room. And for car riders, you will exit through the 5th grade door closest to Mr. Cantu's room. Remember, we must stay 6 feet apart. Now, dismissal is our cool down time. We will begin dismissal at 3:30 p.m. You will all grab your backpack from your chair and you will grab the technology that is in your desk to place it in your Dismissal is cool down time. While we are getting dismissed, we may read our book, we may put our head down, but let's make sure that we're staying at a voice level 0 so that we can all hear our names when they're being called. Once you hear your name, stand up, push in your chair, silently take your technology in your backpack, and walk straight to your dismissal door. Our families are waiting for us in the line, so let's make sure that we're walking with urgency and a purpose. Let's talk about learning on our next video.